Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting tech releases of the year, the Galaxy Z Fold6. Slimmer, lighter, and smarter than ever before. It's the ultimate blend of power and portability. Let's unfold the future together. Design. Samsung has outdone itself with the Galaxy Z Fold6. At just 239 grams and a jaw-dropping 5.6 millimeters thin when unfolded, this is the lightest and thinnest Galaxy Fold yet. It's incredibly portable. Think PC-like power in a device that feels lighter than ever. Galaxy AI features. Galaxy AI features Galaxy AI is here, and it's smarter than ever. Check out the Circle to Search feature. Simply draw a circle around any object or text, and the AI pulls up relevant results instantly. Whether you're researching, shopping, or organizing, it's a productivity booster. Note Assist has your back. It transcribes recordings, organizes them into clean, concise summaries, and lets you stay on top of everything, all while multitasking. Camera system, the Galaxy Z Fold6 takes smartphone photography to the next level with its versatile, pro-grade camera system. At the heart of it is the 50-megapixel wide-angle camera, delivering vibrant colors, incredible detail, and sharp clarity for every shot. The 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens expands your view, capturing wide-open scenes or large groups effortlessly, while the 10-megapixel telephoto lens brings far-off subjects closer with 3 times optical zoom and AI-enhanced stability, ensuring sharp and clear results. Gaming powerhouse, calling all gamers. The Galaxy Z Fold6 is a mobile gaming beast. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, you get 19% faster GPU performance and 42% better on-device AI battery. Battery life is always a big deal, and the Z Fold6 delivers. With an enhanced 4,400 mAh dual-cell battery, you can power through the day, whether you're gaming, working, or streaming. Get up to 77 hours of music playback or 23 hours of video streaming on a single charge. And with fast charging, you're back in action in no time. Plus, with wireless power share, your Z Fold6 doubles as a portable charger. Power up your earbuds or another phone on the go. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Fonova, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth tech content. Until next time, keep exploring the future of mobile innovation.